All right, John, what we got today?
Today we have the Milwaukee M18 fuel Hackzall.
It's a hacker.
It is,
It's like a sawzall.
but better.
Keep that thing away from me, man. All right, what's something good about it?
Something good about it is you can use it with one hand, which lets you do a lot of stuff that you couldn't do with a traditional sawzall.
Maybe like if you're on a ladder and you need to brace yourself, you can still make the cut.
That's right.
This thing well, the battery's what's heavy, right?
Yeah, pretty much. And it will take a lighter one.
It's got some heft to it. What's another thing? What are you using this for?
I'm basically using this for my sawzall now. Like it kind of took the place of a traditional one. And I have some old corded ones, like I have a corded Milwaukee that I've found this to probably even be more powerful than it is, and then I don't have to have a cord.
This thing is just, it feels like the nail gun kind of.
Yeah, it kind of does.
Let's do some close-ups and then do some cuts.